Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today is hot as usual. It's ridiculous. Sometimes, so my car has this auto start thing, or not auto start, but like remote start. And if I forget to remote start my car like 5 minutes before I'm gonna get into it and go somewhere, it's like a baking oven in this car. It is all black, all leather. What was I thinking? Anyways, today we are mailing some shoes. Got some shoes for you guys. Thank you everyone who ordered shoes. If you guys haven't yet, please consider ordering some shoes. I need to really make space in my shipping container because we got like 1,200 new pairs of skate shoes coming, and I don't want to get a second shipping container. So the discount code is Tanner's YouTube. Get yourself some shoes for like $25 to $40, depending on, I think the discount code is 65% off. And depending on which model you order, they'll be $25 to $40. So get yourself a pair on offaxisathletics.com. Use discount code Tanner's YouTube. Anyways, today we're doing a daily dash, although I do have to go mail these shoes. I have to be there in less than 20 minutes, and it's about 15 minutes away, but I gotta get there so that way this person gets their shoes quicker than usual. Anyways, today we're talking about a viral TikToker who made a video that went super duper viral, and the only reason I saw it is because you guys sent it to me. I don't actually have TikTok.
Alright, so this TikTok is for Danielle. Danielle, I'm your Doordash driver. I was supposed to be bringing you your food, and I texted you to let you know that there was a long line at Chick-fil-A and that it could be a little bit longer than expected. And to that text message, you responded, "Stop updating me and bring me my food." And that was really nice. But now I have to let you know that you aren't getting your food. In fact, you're in timeout. Your food's not coming to you. Thank you. And you should be a little bit nicer.
I mean, I used to, I still do, but I used to too. I don't know. I don't have TikTok anymore. I don't really use it. But this guy went viral because this person, supposedly, he's saying the whole thing was fake. I don't know if it's fake or not. I didn't really look into it much. I've only seen articles. But I love the point that he was making. So this lady basically was like complaining, I don't know, this lady, supposedly it's fake, but was complaining that he was late for his order, or just like, maybe, I think she said, just don't tell me when my food's gonna be here, just bring it, or something like that. I don't know. She said had some rude remark, and then he responded and was like, well, guess what, you didn't tip me and your food's not coming. Something along those lines. Maybe I'll find the video and post it for you guys. Maybe I won't. Sometimes I'm lazy. But he's just like eating the stuff from, I think it's like Chick-fil-A or something like that. Anyways, the video went super viral. I absolutely love the idea about the video and trying to make awareness to people that do not tip, because that's I hate to say it, it's a scumbag move. I don't care how broke you are. If you are using a delivery service, you better tip your damn driver. And the fact that we can not get, like, literally not make any money because DoorDash is too cheap of a business, like, they got the shittiest business model ever. And it should really be put on blast, because it's the same as restaurants. They get away with having employees but not actually having to pay them as employees, and basically parlay the expense of having employees onto the customers and expect the customers to basically pay for the employees. And it's just really weird, because it's like, why don't you just charge a little bit more, pay the employees, and then problem solved. We're not relying on tips here, because some places or some people don't like to tip, and that, in my opinion, is a scumbag move. I really think if you want to use a delivery service, you shouldn't be getting your food for zero cost. Sometimes they're always advertising these free deliveries, or like, it's like $2 or $3 sometimes to get your food delivered. Bruh, come on now. So anyways, I love the idea that this guy put this person on blast. Supposedly it's fake. I think he just doesn't want to get, I don't know. He seems like a genuine guy. Maybe it is fake. I don't know. But I love what he did. I love what he did. I hope he didn't actually get deactivated by DoorDash. I don't really think he can, because if it was fake, then there was no customer who would report it. Therefore, how can you get deactivated? You know what I'm saying? Do you guys watch TikTok DoorDash videos? Is that a thing? Because I didn't know that was really a thing, but supposedly there's a lot of DoorDashers making some viral TikTok videos. Let me know if you guys watch them, and let me know who I should check out if you do watch the TikTok DoorDash videos. Anyways, today I also wanted to talk about, the other day we talked about keeping positive energy and keeping negative people who are negative out of your life, because the negative people are going to bring in 90% or 10% of your problem, or 90%, I can't do math right now, 90% of your guys' problems come from 10% of either your customers, your friends, your clients, or people around you. Just 10% of them cause most of the problems. Now think about that. It's pretty accurate. We said it the other day in the vlog. Now, how do you eliminate that stuff? Well, if there's, for example, I do this all the time, guys. If I have, so I love reading the comments on my YouTube channel. I love reading them. I'm addicted to it. I read everyone's comments. So if you comment stuff, I'm probably reading it. Although I start to think, like, is this good for my mental health? Because some of you douchebags like to try to dig in and try to, like, piss me off and, like, try to put me down. And I'm like, well, guess what? There's one click away and I just block people. And it's like, yeah, I believe when I block people, they can still watch my videos and they can still comment, but I can't see their comments, and neither can anyone else. So just kind of like silencing people, which I don't like that the government has been silencing people so much lately. But on my YouTube channel, when I'm trying to read people's comments and stuff, and then one douche is like, I don't even know, like, dude, some people get really rude. But I just delete them, and that's what I'm saying, 90% of my problems, because I'll think about that later in the day. And if that, I don't know, does that make people feel better about themselves, like being negative? I don't know, it's really weird to me. I don't get it. If, like I've said before many times, you don't see Michael Jordan leaving YouTube comments, I can almost guarantee you that. And if he is, he's leaving something really positive. Anyone who's doing successful in life is not leaving negative YouTube comments. They got better shit to do. So if you're doing that, maybe you should reconsider what is important in your life if leaving negative YouTube comments is a hobby of yours. Just kind of weird. Anyways, alright, we are pulling up to the post office. Be right back. Yeah, and by the way, I found out Six Flags in Florida. It's not even Six Flags. I'm being hired by Six Flags to perform at Busch Gardens. Busch Gardens, where I'm actually performing at in Tampa, does not mandate vaccines. Although the business that's hiring my business tried to say that it was mandated. It's just not. So it is what it is. I was thinking about getting the vaccine, and I was like, I don't think I'm going to yet. I'm going to wait till it's FDA approved. I'm not against vaccines, but I'm just against getting experimental ones that are not FDA approved yet. Be right back. We're back. Got an order coming in. Gonna hard decline. Look at this. Straight to the strip. We don't deliver to casinos on the strip. I don't care how much money you're paying me. You gotta give me like $40. Like, that is the minimum for me to deliver to the strip, and I will never see that because DoorDash will always hide it. I will, like, dude, it's just not happening. I'm not delivering anyone's order to the strip. I've done it a few times. Jesus. 6 miles, $6, Five Guys, not doing it. We're probably not gonna, I gotta be really picky because I gotta actually meet someone at my house in about 15 minutes. So we probably aren't going to get an order unless it is so damn convenient. Literally goes 10 miles like the opposite direction. Oh, it's from that Chicago Six Wings place. I put that on my personal blacklist the other day. We were talking about you could have preferences on restaurants like 2 days ago. I would take off Walmart for sure, and that place Chicago 6 Wings, because I went there the other day and it was a nightmare. It was a nightmare. Anyways, what else did I want to talk about? You know, I wanted to talk about what was I talking about? Something about discrimination and how people shouldn't discriminate. And I was like, should you not discriminate? Like, at some point, there's got to be some discrimination, not in a bad way. That comes off as bad, but like, let me give you a perfect example. If you guys need to hire, let's say, an accountant, and someone shows up and they look like me with a ripped shirt on, looks like I just left the gym, and then you got someone who shows up, maybe it's like a really nerdy looking person, they got glasses on, they got a nice button up shirt, and all you can do is look. Who are you gonna hire? Don't hire me. You're not gonna hire me, of course. Like, you're gonna hire the guy who looks like they fit. And maybe if you're in a bad area, or you don't know it's a bad area, and you see a bunch of people and their pants are halfway down their legs, and maybe they're waving around guns and throwing up gang signs and stuff, you might want to discriminate a little bit in that case. So discrimination's not always a bad thing. It's a bad thing if you over-discriminate. Over-discrimination could be bad. I don't know. Honestly, I forget what the whole entire point of this was. I was watching a Valuetainment video earlier, and there was a very good point to be made, but I forgot it. So we're just going to leave it at that. And we're probably not going to get an order, because, Walgreens delivers literally. You'll need your red card to pay for this order. Shop for the items. How many items? 3 items? Bro, we're doing it. Alright, we're going to fit in this order in the next 20 minutes, because it literally delivers exactly where I need to go, which is on Silverado Ranch, which is the street that I live near, and we are literally going that way anyways. It's perfect. It's $8 for 2 miles. We're already driving that 2 miles anyways. Gotta make this shopping trip real quick though. So we're gonna run in there. We're gonna do like, I just went in a complete circle, by the way, because I was in the right turn lane. I was turning right, and I needed to go actually straight because it's right there. So I just went. Anyways, all right. Let's see. What are these 3 items? Probably ice cream and stuff. We got Starbucks medium roast coffee, 48 ounce, Walgreens alcohol with wintergreen, Nature Made magnesium, soft gels. Yeah, all right. It is what it is. Bianca wants some stuff from Walgreens. All right, let's start shopping. I hate this though. I wish the orders were already ready to go, you know? Ugh. Anyways, alright. Be right back right after we do this shopping. Alright, got the order. It was extremely fast. I was running around like a chicken with their head cut off. I don't know if that accurately explains the way I was running around, but I actually was mostly just asking for help. Because I was like, man, why am I going to walk around everywhere? I was like, hey, can you tell me where the 3 items are? And they're like, yeah. This one's right here, this one's over there, and this one's on the other side. I was like, boom, done. Shopping trip accomplished. Stopping. Let's go shopping, guys. Just kidding, guys. Alright, cool. So, we should make it in time. Got this, been using this massager in my car. These little bam. It's great for your jaw. I love using it, except this thing's hotter than hell right now. Anyways, I don't know. I'm distracted. Alright, be there, or just told this guy I'll be there in 15 minutes-ish. Alright. Gotta go to freaking apartment complex. That's annoying. Okay, be right back after we drop this off. Just like that, boom shakalaka. Got a $2 post tip. Bam! Yeah, made $10. to literally drive not even a single inch out of the way that I was already going, because I live on the street that's like right over here. So anyways, all right, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to head back to my house real quick, and not gonna lie, I'm sweating a lot because I just ran up a bunch of stairs real quick to deliver that person's food to them, or not food, it was like coffee and stuff. But anyways, all right, thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't yet, order some shoes. Discount code Tanners YouTube, offaccessathletics.com. Do it, and also smash that like button for me, and subscribe to the channel for more daily content. In case anyone's doubting, it is daily, like Pedro doubted me, bro. Daily content every day. All right, peace guys.